Good 4th of July, and it's hot already. I had a storm come through the other night, and you can see what happened. Blowed this big tree down. So I've got to move it out of the way so I can cut grass, and we're on the Super C. Let's put it in gear and see if we can pull this tree. We pulled it, got it right up on the tire with all that poison ivy. Golly. Anyway, there's grapevine in there too. So we're gonna unhook it from the tractor and grab it again and pull it around and get that, try and pull it around so I can cut it up with the saw. So I'm gonna pause here and then we're gonna come back. Stay tuned for it. All right, well, I got the chain back on the two big pieces. We're going to try and swing it out, and there's where it come from, right there. I probably ought to get it. Well, they're dead. Hopefully they'll fall the other way next time. But we're going to back the Super C up and hook up to the chain and pull it out one more time, and then I should be able to cut all this mess up with the chainsaw. Hopefully it ain't too far gone, I can burn it. But what's really discouraging is I don't know what that is. I think that's some kind of wild berry or something. I know that there are grapevines in here, and there they are, but that's what it is. It's grapes. It's sculpidines. Too bad about that. It would have been nice to have picked some of those. All right, well, let's hook up the tractor and we'll go from there. All right, we're hooked up again. Let's do it. All right, there it is. It looks like it's too far gone. There might be a piece or two in here. I don't know, might be a piece or two in there to get some firewood out of. So, but that's it. Super C did a great job. So please forgive the video quality. I'm using my phone. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and welcome to all the new subscribers. And look at the poison that's in the top of this tree. All right, well, have a great afternoon. Enjoy the rest of your 4th of July, and we'll see you next time.